On this episode, we're taking you to a sugar mill on St. Kitts.
One of 8 monkeys that own, you know, that wants to get there.
What is that all about? Well, we're on the volcano.
Then we're hiking. Ready to climb with us? We'll show you some amazing sights on a Caribbean volcano.
What kind of fish?
Before we sail south, are you ready to sail away with us? Let's do it.
I feel like I'm kind of flying.
Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. I'm Brittany, and this is Jeremiah.
I came from the mud.
For 5 years, we've been sailing the world and filming it all for you.
Strong like a tree.
Now come along with us as we head for the Caribbean.
Oh, I've been running.
Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Come man, you can
Let
hold
me get
it.
him a treat. He doesn't bite, no scratch.
He doesn't bite. He doesn't
Put him
bite.
like a cup. So I'm sitting. No, don't be scared. Put the hand like a cup. Mom, you want to do it for him? Okay, Mom, give me the first one. Right?
Come on, look.
Get a grape, Jerry. Sit up and relax. Get a grape.
Oh my goodness.
Just let him sit.
That
No,
is
body
so
at all.
good.
Not gonna bite.
What's his name?
Jerry. Look at Jerry. And then I'm
Oh,
gonna put him on mommy's shoulder like this. Look at
oh
this.
my. Oh, hello, Jerry. He is close.
Look at that.
Oh,
That's
that's so sweet.
That's
Does
cute.
he live
Let
with
me
you?
get. Of course, he's one of 8 monkeys that own. You know, that once they get their vaccinated shots, he showers them and feed them regularly. You know, they go and come like a part of you. They become like that, adapt to the
Oh my
surroundings and stuff. Jerry, come on down now. You wanna hold him now, little buddy?
You want to hold him, Reese?
Yeah, just do like this.
What's that? No, you.
You do it, Reese. I'm
Mommy,
following.
yeah, just put the hand like by mommy too. Okay, come behind him and rub him. Rub him on the back. Look at daddy. Look at daddy.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Rub him and look at daddy. You gotta rub him on the head.
Uh-oh. Is he gonna bite me?
No, he's not gonna bite, no. He just threw his grape in the cheek, so later when he gets hungry, he normally like dig it and like have a second go of it.
You are sweet.
You pretty sure you don't wanna? Pretty sure you don't wanna? Hold him, buddy. You don't wanna
so
put him in the
cool.
head? Okay, he's good.
Thank you so much.
No problem,
Yeah,
no problem.
That's so
But
cool.
what I was telling you guys, if you go on the top of around there,
Yeah.
you can look over and get an overview of it. You look at the couples and everything with a bowl of sugar, so it's a good view. So
Awesome.
walk across and get a shot.
Are you ready to go explore St. Kitts rainforest?
Let's do it.
Just got here. That was really cool. This looks like it used to be an old sugar mill and they would use the water to grind up the cane. It's pretty neat. Obviously not in working order now, but it's basically at the entrance to where we're entering the rainforest, which is actually flourishing here in St. Kitts. That's pretty rare. Usually they're, you know, diminishing. So we're gonna go check out, see if we can find some waterfalls. I think it's a little bit of dry season, so, but who knows? Maybe we'll see some water flowing over rocks.
This place is beautiful. The first thing you find is this old sugar mill that you get to walk through. We've been to a few of these along our journey, but not one so preserved and available to get inside like this.
Gecko, Mommy, look at Gecko. Like lazy geckos.
Lazy geckos.
It's like a thing where they pump water out, right?
What is that all about?
I heard some buzzing. Oh, sorry for leaving you behind.
You left him. That's a couple times now. There's no loyalty.
He'll follow me.
Well, we're on the volcano.
We are?
Yeah.
This doesn't look like a volcano.
It looks like a forest that grew on the volcano. We're hiking today up in this little path. Not a huge path, but it's cool. A couple little waterfalls, but the vegetation's crazy. It's beautiful. Vines hanging everywhere. Cute little creek. Reese got to throw some rocks in there. Sweet. You throwing some rocks?
Yeah, Daddy, watch this one.
All right. Nice. Now we're headed back down. That's pretty neat.
It's a rainforest.
A rainforest.
A flourishing
A
rainforest.
flourishing one. Is there a name for it or anything?
St. Kitts National Rainforest.
Oh, well, that would make sense.
This path was part of the sugar mill. It's about a mile in and out. It has a few things to do, like this zip line. Very cool. Now we're off to hike up a volcano.
Falling star, rising sun. I'm falling in love with everyone.
This is the main volcano on St. Kitts. After a little drive, we found a small entrance to the path that leads up to the summit. There wasn't another person in sight, which was great. but we did manage to make some unexpected friends along the way.
Hiking up a volcano with a 4-year-old. Actually, he's doing really good. How's it going, Reese?
Good.
The dog that has adopted us and the 2 puppies.
Yeah, you want to name them?
Yeah.
Crazy.
What's that?
These dogs compared to our dog.
Our dog would never make it.
No.
Reese, that was a good job, man. That was a tough section.
What?
Spider.
Oh, shoot.
You went right over there. All right. Cruising up into the jungle. I don't know whose dog this is. Hey. Hello. Hello. Puppy, 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 puppy.
We're a family of 6. I want to take a dog home with us, but Dad said no. I said it'd be awesome to have a dog that comes and does stuff with us.
Yeah.
Instead, Bella's sitting in her bed all fluffy and princess-like.
Yeah.
So we could have a dog that ventures with us and a dog that snuggles.
Oh, there he goes. Yeah, you got it. You got it. The little puppy was terrified on the way up. She kept, or he, I don't know, kept looking, like stopping and whining and staying way in the back as we walked up. And now we're walking back down. It's like leading the way back down. Like, let's go.
I hear something.
Wind.
Oh, I thought it was a monkey.
Oh, well, maybe you heard something different.
There's monkeys in here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely. You ready?
Let's go, doggies. Lead the way.
Let's go, little one.
The little one.
I smell a skunk. I don't know if they have skunks here, but it smells like it. Maybe somebody's burning weed. Maybe somebody's growing weed.
Oh, somebody got stepped on. So you think the temperature in St. Kitts is really high. Like, I've talked to a couple family members while I've had Wi-Fi on FaceTime, and they're like, it must be so hot there, like in the high 90s. It's really not. It's averaging about 81 degrees, but yesterday it was 84, and it's not the temperature, it's the humidity. As you can see, I'm pouring sweat.
Especially in here.
Yeah, it's hot.
The vegetation in here.
There's actually a lot of vegetation. I keep thinking that a tick's gonna fall on my head.
Oh, yeah.
So a little worried about that. But on our way down, it was a good workout between the rainforest and now the volcano. They say it takes about 5 hours to get to the top of the volcano. They suggest you do it with a guide because it's so steep and I imagine you can get lost. We're not gonna do that today because, you know, we have Reese, and it was even hard on me doing. I think we did probably an hour in, and now we're going back. But the little guy would get really tired, and he's a little too big to carry at this point. But he's doing great now. How you doing, Reese? Is he growling?
Yeah.
I feel like they're protecting us. Like, I'll keep you safe. This one keeps going off to like check out what's in the abyss. There he goes, he's off. Uh-oh, the little puppy's like, I'm stuck with you. You all right there? Okay. We find a lot of these rivers really dry, but they say when the rain comes, it flows like crazy. Come on, 4 small children.
Barracuda.
No!
been trying to catch our lure for a while now. Man, it is an awesome sail.
Oh yeah.
It's beautiful.
This is quite nice.
Is this more like it?
This is more like it. I feel like we're finally on a beam reach and we're finally sailing.
Yeah.
What'd you say, 230, 40 mile jump?
Yeah, 240 something.
Jump to St. Lucia. So we're taking the beam reach and doing it all at once.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
But yeah.
The life of a porthole. I like to think about all the beautiful sights we've had out of this porthole. I hope they continue to change for years to come.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah. You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Our first crossing across the Gulf Stream to the Bahamas. Like, just ended up being perfect and beautiful every moment of it.
Yeah.
And this, it's really great. Even Chris Parker said you really don't get a weather window like this. And we kind of took it, grabbed it, and we're making our big jump, which is great. It'll get us down there and we can explore the area before hurricane season.
Yeah.
Very pleasant, beautiful, beautiful day. And I'm sure it's going to be a gorgeous sunset. As long as those storm clouds kind of spread. But they usually do, it usually works out. It's gorgeous! I feel like I'm kind of flying if you like.
It'll be sunset soon. We'll do another overnight sail, and I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
Passion fruit, I've never had one of these. Friday night here in St. Lucia. Working on a boat.
This is the freezer. Man, that sucks.
Coconut rum. First time we've had patrons to our boat. Area of the Pirates of the Caribbean where it was filmed. Lots of little lines.
I was flying the drone when she came back the first time and she flashed me.
I wish I was that dog and I was like, oh, ha ha ha. I was carrying her like this and he's like, so I could be nuzzled in there and you could carry me like that.
Did he really?
I'm right here. I got you.
First dive off the dinghy.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.